Aquaphor Healing Ointment, Skin Protectant, 3.5 ounces, 99 grams. Product Overview Description. For dry, cracked, or irritated skin, clinically proven to restore smooth, healthy skin. Preservative and fragrance-free. Dermatologist Recommended. Advanced therapy. Quality tested for dry, cracked skin. Trusted by dermatologists and pediatricians, Aquaphor Healing Ointment provides the effective care that your very dry, chapped, or irritated skin needs. Specially formulated to be free of fragrances, dyes and preservatives, to provide safe and gentle care for sensitive skin. Uses: temporarily protects chapped or cracked skin. Temporarily protects minor cuts, scrapes, burns. Helps protect from the drying effects of wind and cold weather. Suggested use: apply as needed. Other ingredients. Drug facts. Active ingredient. Purpose: Petrolatum, 41%, skin protectant, ointment. Inactive ingredients: mineral oil, ceresin, lanolin alcohol, panthenol, glycerin, bisabolol. Warnings: do not use if safety seal is broken or missing. For external use only. When using this product, do not get into eyes. Stop use and ask a doctor if condition worsens. Symptoms last more than 7 days or clear up and occur again within a few days. Do not use on deep or puncture wounds, animal bites, serious burns. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.